when false prophets will arise, when the false ministers will arise, they will deceive you, but in many ways. Deceive you in money, deceive you in many ways. But those who stand in the Word of God will receive the reward that comes from God. And we never and never forget that God will judge us in the time to come. God will come and judge us. So it will penetrate to our soul, where joints and marrow comes together. It judges the desires and thoughts of our hearts. So it judges the desires and thoughts of our heart. So you see, when you read the Bible and you know it's wrong,